million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone.
Just let me take out this sunlight. I love the way it makes me come alive.
Hey, I'm back with some human hair drip for my good friends over there at Lumiere Hair. We have worked with them in the past and we really like them. If you look in the description box, you see all the details on this little bopper, as well as a direct link to it. They actually sent us two. One was a 613 headband wig that I made ash blonde. That review has already gone up. I put it in the description box too. All right, so all I did was take this one out of the packaging, so I'm not sure what's in here. Let's see. All right, oh Lord, y'all, it's all types, I'm dropping stuff. All right, so in this, with this wig, they sent the headband, some purple hair, if you wanna add you some little purple hair, a piece of elastic, another headband, some stocking caps, and another piece of pink blonde hair. So there you go. All right, but y'all don't care about that. Y'all care about this wig. Ain't no details on it, so like I said, look in that description box, but I can tell it's blonde and it is a little bob. All right, so, ooh, y'all, this gonna be easy, straightforward. Okay, first of all, look at it. I just said I like ash blonde hair and this one warm, but that's here nor there. You get a comb in the back, adjustable straps, and then in the front, it's a lace heart wig, y'all. Okay, come to right, come to left. That itty bitty lace going across the front, and then you get that lace parting space. It is dark rooted as well, which that is a plus. It's not throughout, but it is dark rooted right here in the front and by that part. Okay, let me plop this on my head and see what we think, and then I'm gonna cut off the lace. All right, so this is it straight on. I look crazy, don't I? This is it to the right. This is it to the left. And this is it in the back. And y'all know I'm bald headed, so this should be kind of flat. All right, let's cut this lace off. I don't think we're gonna really have to do too much except for this side. We're gonna have to do some over there. Let's cut this lace off and then I'll come back with my final thoughts. All right, y'all, so I'm back with my final thoughts on this wig. I think that this wig has tons of potential. Even though you're just getting that lace parting space, if you prefer like short pixies, which y'all know that's right up my alley, I actually just dyed a 613 wig that's kind of like this ash blonde. I'm pretty sure that review has gone up by now. If you like short pixies and you don't mind the T part, then I 1000% recommend this one. I went and looked it up. First of all, this wig is very affordable. The other thing you should know is they make it in black and they make it in a burgundy 99J color as well. I'm not sure if this is the 27 or the 30, but they make it in 27 and a 30 as well. I think that this wig is cute. It has tons of potential. All I did was, I didn't do anything to that, but I did swoop a few of these baby hairs and I didn't cut the gold off, which I should have, but And this is what we got. So it is super beginner friendly as well. So I definitely recommend that you pick this one up. Like I said, in the description box, I put a direct link, the details, all that good jazz. Okay. Like I always say, maybe you're not into wigs. Maybe it's your auntie Tasha. Maybe it's your Uncle Timmy. Whichever one, send them me and Lumiere Hair way, and we will get them right, y'all. Cute, cute. Until next time, which will be very soon.